Most people cannot watch live IPTV because of the ISP block in the UK. IpShells VPN will unlock the block when the ISP prevents people from streaming live TV. We have many locations with high-speed bandwidth, and customers can stream live TV without any problems. If people are living in another country, they can stream BBC iPlayer, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and all other streaming services by just simply changing their geolocations to countries like the UK, USA, Canada, and Australia, plus many more. IpShells VPN also offers plug-and-play VPN routers, and our router covers all devices being used in the home. That's not all. IpShells VPN can protect all devices being used at home from hackers. So stay safe, stay updated, and unlock your favorite entertainment. Choose IpShells today. Find us at ipshells.com.